I'm really grateful that I started this vlog because most of the people that are close to me can really say that I'm not a um, outdoor person or active person that always goes out. But because of my vlog, instead of being a homey person, I motivated to go out and find new places to explore and share. So instead of just staying at home and watching Chinese drama, K-drama, or Japanese drama, or other people's drama, I become more active, and it really helps me explore other places. So this is the view, guys, of the Tops. It's like your top of the world. I think ang akong ma-compare ani is ang Bana Hills sa Vietnam, the Golden Bridge. And it's really nice to see now we have this kind of tourist spot here in Cebu. By the way, well, compared to Bana Hills in Da Nang, Vietnam, it's very far, no, compared to Tops. But at least, no, we have something like this here in Cebu City.